Today, we're going to see how sand turns into glass, from the raw material all the way to the windows and bottles we use every day. We start with silica sand, soda ash, limestone, and recycled glass as the basic ingredients of glass. The mixed batch enters a huge furnace, where it melts at extremely high temperatures into molten glass.
The flow rate on the north side is fluctuating.
I see that. Temperature is stable, though.
Keep an eye on the pressure valve.
The molten glass flows onto a bath of molten tin, forming a perfectly flat ribbon of glass. As the glass cools, it passes through an annealing tunnel. Then, automated cutters score and break it into large sheets. Some sheets are reheated and rapidly cooled to become tempered safety glass, stronger and safer when broken. Part of the molten glass is shaped into bottles, using molds that form and cool each bottle on a separate line. Finished glass sheets and bottles are carefully packed, stacked on pallets and loaded onto trucks for delivery.
Easy now, watch the corner.
Okay, I've got it. Bring it down slowly.
In the end, this glass becomes the windows, bottles, and surfaces we look through and use every single day.